Good afternoon, guys. So this week's video is all about polygons. So now the first polygon is a pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. Let's draw a pentagon.
Someone or something that is special to you. Do that right now. Think of someone, person, or something that's special.
And that's a pentagon. This pentagon is a hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. Let's draw a hexagon. As you see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there's 6 sides. This is a heptagon. A heptagon has 7 sides. Let's draw a heptagon. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a heptagon. This is an octagon. It has 8 sides. Here's a little tip for you guys. You can remember an octagon as a stop sign. So let's draw an octagon. And that is an octagon. This is a nonagon. A nonagon has 9 sides. Let's draw a nonagon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a nonagon. This is a decagon. It has 10 sides. Let's draw a decagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do a decagon. A decagon has 10 sides. Hopefully you return this to school. Make sure you return this to school and make sure you have the correct answers.